Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial 4 quick ways to locate the reminders application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the application reminders, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So let's now go all the way onto the dock. If we have the reminders application on the dock, we can click this and it will open up. So that's number 1. Let's close the application. Let's now go all the way onto the dock again. Go to Launchpad, search for reminders, and there we have it on screen. Open up, quit. Number 3, let's now go all the way onto the dock. Go to Finder. Go to applications, search for the application, there it is, open up, close the application, close Finder. Number 4, Spotlight search, Command and space, reminders application, enter, open up, there we go. Number 4, quit reminders. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.